I have a surprise for you. I found the best home and garden tool, and it's pink. Not only is it adorable, but it solved one of my biggest frustrations that I've dealt with for literally years. Because if you've ever tried using one of those giant, heavy outdoor blowers, you also know the struggle. For almost 10 years, I've been using one of those heavy blowers, and every single time my shoulder would hurt afterward for hours. That thing feels like it weighs 20 pounds, especially once the massive battery pack is attached. It was bulky, awkward, loud, and honestly just not enjoyable to use. Then I found the Shark BlastBoss, and friends, this thing completely changed the game for me. Now I can sweep my whole yard in under 5 minutes and I'm not sore afterward. Somehow it actually makes cleaning kind of fun when your neighbors smile at you when you're using it. When I opened the box, I was honestly surprised by how lightweight and compact it was. Inside you get the Shark BlastBoss, a precision nozzle, the BlastBroom attachment, and an extension wand. And they all clip on super easily. The BlastBroom attachment is honestly genius because it lets you blast and sweep debris at the same time instead of dirt flying everywhere. The precision nozzle is amazing for keyboards, tight corners, baseboards, under appliances, car interiors, and little hidden dust areas vacuums can't reach. And the extension wand helps you reach farther without bending or straining. This thing has adjustable airflow from 0 to 190 miles per hour, so you can go gentle for indoor dusting or powerful for patios, garages, leaves, and outdoor messes. It's cordless, rechargeable, lightweight, and honestly so easy to grab quickly for everyday cleanup. And because it's compact, I actually use it more than our giant blower. That's the difference. When something is easy and convenient, you naturally keep using it. And if you're wondering whether something this small is actually powerful enough, I had the same thought, but the airflow on this thing is seriously impressive, especially with the boost. It handles leaves, dirt, crumbs, garage messes, patio cleanup, and even those impossible spots under furniture where dust bunnies somehow multiply overnight. Plus, no cords, no giant equipment, and no shoulder pain. Honestly, this is one of those products that made everyday chores feel faster, easier, and weirdly satisfying. And the fact that it's lightweight and pink, I'm obsessed. This has officially replaced the giant bulky blower in our house forever.